Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about Excel uh, communications. What it is they sell international long distance service phone cards. It started in the 1990s, and the company currently either still exists or not. So let's go over what they talk about. Okay, first they come with a package of a binder format with some brochures, information, some application forms when a person fills and buys the card, one copy for them, and this is there's like the list of steps, how to fill it out. One's an independent representative application agreement, the other one long distance service phone call. Let's go with what it comes with. Alright, this is the CD. Works, it's a version 2.0. Go to excelonline.com. What comes with is their phone number and support. The sticker serve as constant reminder that if you ever encounter a problem while installed, you're just a phone call away. Comes with one CD. Okay. Next one is what does it offer? Mostly like dime deals, no risk, 90 days satisfaction guarantee, low monthly service fee for only $1 a month. Also like Premier Plus, where the rates for from state to state. They also do international as well. Service fee is only like $3 a month. And they have packaging as well. Okay, they come with a card. It'll look like this. Excel. And then flip to the back. You give the phone number, your ID number. But this is already like expired and old, so it's like being a salesperson that time. Award for less. Okay. They have a program like the more you keep on sale, you get connections to dining, hotels in California, Florida, other like locations. This is like the whole map. And you have a savings. You can save money. Go to SeaWorld, Royal Caribbean, Excel. Benefits of joining their company. The more you sell, the more benefits you'll see. This is a business supply catalog. What this entails like information like the business packet, the stationery item, personalized pack. This is like all the stuff you buy to personalize as a do-it-yourself business. You'll get a commission. How to promote yourself. Okay, this is Telework, subscriber user guide. What this entails is how to make a message and also set up your customer service for the phone call. So it's like when you receive messages, how to respond, play your message, and also name teleworks. It's like how many message chips and information. I'll prepare a PowerPoint view on it. Hey, the independent representative contractor. Fill out your name, business, your sponsor, who's your sponsor, billing address, select your information, independent. Same thing for the long distance. Let's go straight to the book. This is from 1999 to 2000. Catalog. Table of contents. You can do residential. Prop brochure for like people do, and also commercial, and it comes with a sales pack, CD pad, and so forth. Those are like extra. Comes with. It came with it, but I think I lost it a long time ago. Okay, the tools, the opportunity, they come with a VHS. That's the old-fashioned. Fast track is a presentation, business presentation, PowerPoint. Tell you like Alright, this is you. If you sell it to these people, you make about $400 a piece. I did that for only like about 1 or 2 months training support. You get a business card, your name tags, kit that comes with everything, publications, call and order, some phone numbers. This is like all the information you can request in English or Spanish. I'll put this more on the PowerPoint slide. Sell phenomenon, news. You can do holiday gift cards. You can also get accessories if you desire, but it's not required. Wearable t-shirts, watches. They also sell other products beside the phone service. And I'll provide that on some more information on the PowerPoint later in the video. On there. Welcome to Excel. Everything back then was entered through the computer, products and service they offer. And also had customer gatherings, sponsor reps, referrals, earn compensation, training program, international, business, how to do it, current promotion, the communication tools they offer you, statements are like pretty much like how much they earn, policy and procedures, glossaries, a dictionary, address and phone numbers, and it's a personal information representative. There's some charts that explain like accelerator kit. Comes with this is the calendar to give you. There's only like a few days. Sort opportunity tab here. Who is Excel? Excel is a major player in a very dynamic industry. You've read about them as a Forbes Business Week or and so forth. Company makes about $100 billion in the U.S. only. International, you can go more. They're listed parent company in New York, Toronto, and then Montreal. What they offer their representatives. Media income. First 8 customer points. So you get your payment usually within 60 days. So it takes like 2 months. But you use that. It's another side income. So it's good. Benefits. Business presentation. Who is Excel? This is the basic information. I'll provide some on the PowerPoint and you guys can look through it. Opportunity. Okay, customer. If at a lifetime, you gain the commission over and over again. Smart Money Telephone Network is upstart. The CEO is Kenny Trout. Products and services here. Okay, they got long distance phone calls. You can do deals in Hawaii for about like 12 cents per call, low flat rate for interstate calls. They have customer profiles. This is you will use like more, so you get a commission, and the rates always differ from state to state. I'll provide some of the details online. Yeah, it's like a chart of it. Let's say they tell you the country code, the time code, minutes, and rates per minute. I'll provide some of it online so you guys can see through the PowerPoint. I'll provide some on the bottom of the video. I just gotta see if this company still exists or not. It's rather an old company. If they exist, yeah, they would still exist. Okay, the premium business. Toll-free numbers. Permanent business page. This is like what's the benefit of doing this program. This binder only costs about like $200 with every information. some basic question Q&A. Customer gathering tab. First, you gotta figure out your target market, what people are looking for, service agreements, get started, basic Q&A, sponsor rep while you join, contact list, profiles, responses. I'll just go through it so you guys can see what it has. This is a sample, how to basic filled out one. Earning compensation form. Anyway, you can do fundraisers. There's like many programs you can do. Independent representative, commission based, gather assistance. Each one has and also different leadership levels will determine the amount of commissions you'll make. Set goal sheet, application, pay through unlimited, from advanced rep all the way to executive. I'll provide that information on the PowerPoint and some in the video. Okay. Extension. Okay, let's deal with Canada. Communication tool. The works with the CD and phone call or contact them through their website. Statements are here. Sales ads, ordering your information. Policy and procedures. These are like terms and conditions, what to do in different situations. Yeah, how to report it. Advertising and promotion. Some Q&A on that. The basic glossary. Addresses and phone number. It comes with a ruler so it can help you get everything organized. Address and notebooks. These are all contact information. They're maybe out of date for now. Okay, I'll show you the PowerPoint when it's done. Hold on. I'll explain the Excel show you the PowerPoint, so like the information, so you can see on the second part of the video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video to everyone so they know about Excel Telecommunication Incorporated, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.